Hey guys, Troy here. This is Valley by Chris McClarney in the original key of B. This was a request that I received. Love the song. Thank you so much for requesting it. I really appreciate that. And so what I'm doing, like I usually do, right? There's two guitar parts in the song. One's very rhythm heavy, but it actually takes over as a lead part during the bridge. And then the other part's obviously the lead part. So what I'm doing is I'm weaving them together to come up with one guitar part that would work well for one lead guitar player. So if you want the tablature that goes across the screen and the explanation of tones and the demonstration of the parts and stuff like that, that's over at GuitarforHISGLORY.com, so you can check that out. But let's talk about the words of the song, right? So I like the theme of the song. When I'm in the valley, I will fear no evil. Surely goodness and mercy will follow me. It talks about preparing a table. That's Psalms language, right? What's important here, what I love about this is, it's like thinking about why, right? Why do we fear no evil when we're in the valley? Why do we know that the Lord will allow his goodness and mercy to follow us all of our days? Why do we know that? Why are we so sure? So where does the Christian assurance come from? And the great thing about it, it has nothing to do with us. It's about God and who he is and the promises that he's made. And we know that the promises that he's made, he will keep, because he is the same yesterday, today, and forever. We also know that he took on flesh, that he walked this earth, that he was as tempted as we are, but yet without sin, that he took on the cross, bearing our shame and our guilt and the penalty that was due for us. And he rose again. And he gave us the faith to believe. And he who started a good work in us will see it through until completion. It's all about him. If you read Psalm 23, you see that all those great things that it talks about is for his namesake. So it all starts and ends with God. That's why we can be sure when we're walking through the valley, we don't have to fear evil, because God has promised these great things to us, and he's proved it through Jesus Christ. He's proved it through the cross. So if you're ever doubting as a Christian, all you have to do is look at the cross. And look what happened at the cross. That was done so you could be reconciled to a perfect God for his glory. It's all about him. That's so awesome. So again, I guess I want to transition real quick. I hope that was encouraging to you. But man, I just love this song. So thanks again, buddy, for requesting that. But it's going back. Can you believe that I've played the Gretsch, I think like 3 or 4 videos in a row now? I actually have one that I've recorded that I've yet to put out. So it's like been 4 videos. As much as I don't enjoy playing it, because like it's hard to stay in tune, and I keep having to move the bridge. I'm like intonating the guitar in between taking videos and stuff. Just not my thing, man. But it sounds awesome, so I can see why people tend to fight with the weird kind of quirkiness of Gretsch guitars, because the sound that you get is worth it. So I will tip my hat to that. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. We'll see you in the next one. Love you.